Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem for the values of k. If we have k plus 4 is equals to k minus 4 and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here first I can explain why we solve this problem for two method. The answer of this question is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find the value of k, but if you focus directly on the question statement, we cannot get the values of k because k is cancelled out on both of the sides. Okay, so here in the first method I can explain how to find the values of k or how to find the roots of this problem. Okay, so we'll move towards the solution of this problem, and now here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as k plus 4 whole square is equals to k minus 4 whole square. And now here further in the next step we need to use these two algebraic formula to solve this problem. You know that if we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. In the right hand side we use this formula, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So we solve this problem with the help of these two algebraic formulas. And now here in the left hand side we use our positive formula, this formula. So after using this, our left hand side is written as k square plus 2 times of ab. Here our a is k and b is 4 plus b square. B is 4 square is equals to, this is k minus 4 whole square. It will becomes k square minus 2 times of k into 4 and plus 4 square. So further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is k square plus 2 times 4 becomes 8k and plus this 4 square becomes 16. And here we need to move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become, this is positive k square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes negative k square. And this is 2 times 4 becomes 8 times of k, and this is negative term. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes here plus 8k, and this plus 4 square becomes 16. And when we move this into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to simplify these terms, and you see here this is minus k square, this is plus k square are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain this is 8k plus 8k becomes 16k. And further you see here this is positive 16, this is negative 16 are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain 16k is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to remove the 16 from left hand side. So for this we divide both of the sides by 16. So when we divide both of the sides by 16, it will be written as in this form. And now further this 16 and this 16 are gone, and we get here k is equal to, this is 0 divided by 16, and you know that when we divide 0 by any number it will remain 0. So here we get the value of k is equals to 0. So in the first method we get only one root of the given equation, and that is k equals to 0. And in the next step we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is k plus 4 is equals to k minus 4. This is our given question statement, and here we substitute the above value of k on both of the sides and we check its behavior. And when we put it here, it will becomes 0 plus 4 is equals to 0 minus 4. And you clearly see here we get 4 is equals to minus 4. And now you see here, if 4 is equals to minus 4, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, We conclude about that k equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that k equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and you very well know about that the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous roots, and the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution of that equation. But here unfortunately we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement, so we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem from for second method. So here for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k plus 4 equals to k minus 4. This is our given question statement. And here in the second method we directly move towards the solution set of this problem. So for this we move this k from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as k plus 4. This is positive k becomes negative k, this is negative 4 becomes positive 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And again we have this is minus k and plus k are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain here 4 plus 4 becomes 16 equals to 0. And here we see that 16 is not equals to 0, but here we need to find the values of k, but unfortunately we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this is our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.